Hi, welcome to the SilverStar Forest. My name is Kristen and I am the Witch of SilverStar Forest, and I'm very glad that you are here today. We're unboxing 2 more boxes because I'm behind and I'm going to have an opportunity to upload this week. So the more I can get in and done today, the better. So they're not necessarily comparisons or contrasts, anything like that, but I think they're fun to see together. The first one that we're looking at is Thyme. This is their $28 box, and I am subscribed now. I was buying past boxes, but if they sell out, you can't get them, and they cost more if you do it outside of the subscription. So for $28, I thought it was a really good deal. I love Cat's boxes, so I am in. We have a little, excuse me, red velvet bag with a beautiful sized palm stone. I love that. So pretty. And her card has all the information about where to find her on social media, and our seeded paper with the box contents and theme and all of that. I have been putting seeds in like crazy. We're actually starting a cut flower farm this year, so I am planting like crazy, and I love the seeded paper. I haven't planted any of it yet, but it is next. Our theme, Wolf and Thyme. Magical souls, we put energy and tension into everything we do. With cooking, oh yes, it is kitchen magic, maybe our theme. With cooking and feasting, it is not any different. So I decided to have the theme, crafting cuisine, in May in honor of celebrating the coming of summer. Whether you like to cook or have challenges in the kitchen, these items will help you with connecting to the self-care you need to nourish your body, soul, and mind. Love that. Her artwork is, I just love it all. Even if it is something that I don't normally connect to, like a moth, for instance, it's beautiful and it's magic, and it's one of those things that just keeps me coming back. A little pyramid there. She does, Kat, puts videos up of her actually creating each of the art pieces, and she incorporates sacred salts and essential oils and a lot of intention that goes into the creation of these art pieces, which I adore. Absolutely adore them. So pretty. And we have a bigger sachet, which has this little bag of goodies. And a tea light candle. Guess we'll find out what those are. Oh, cute. I have this little dish with the moon, and I'm guessing that's maybe a rune symbol or something. So cute. Love it. Okay, and then lastly, I love this yarn. I've been using similar yarns in my creations, which if you have not been to my Etsy shop, I'll have the link down below. They feel like fur, but it is yarn. And this just makes me so happy. Yeah, looks like a kitchen towel with, get it going the right way, moon and stars in a super pretty green. That's really cute. Looks like it's probably hand painted, probably by Kat. So let's take a look at what she has to say about it. Yes, it is a hand-painted kitchen towel by Thyme. Unique. There are 4 designs, so you can go watch other unboxings of the Maze Thyme to see the other designs. I'm going to have to go do that now. And several colors, each one created by her and have intentional energy infused into them. They have been heat treated and washed with eco-friendly soap that is allergy-free. Anytime you dry your hands on it, I hope that you remember your hands are special tools that create magic, that feed your soul emotionally and physically. You can drape it over your bread basket to keep it warm and protected, over a fresh pie, or as a ceremonial cloth for your kitchen altar. Love that. Oh, that sauce dish. The little dish is hand painted also by Thyme. This little dish is used to add your special sauces to spices, oils, or rest your spoon on. I have hand painted it with a special ceramic pigment and have added both the crescent moon and the rune Jira, which stands for harvest, reward, and abundance. Each time it is used, you can think of those words and how they can connect you with what you put in it to enhance what you are eating. The crescent moon reminds us that with each phase we are growing and waning, so is our relationship with food. It doesn't have to be perfect or always super magical. Just add a little bit of you into it and savor the moment. Please hand wash the towel. The kitchen cleansing ritual kit must be the bag. You will find orange mulled spices, an orange peel, a tea light, a bay leaf, and a ritual scroll. I seem to be missing some things. This must be the organic mulled spices and orange peel. And we have the tea light, but we're missing the bay leaf, and ritual scroll. So I'll just email her and let her know. Maybe she can send it with my other box. Cleanse your kitchen of negative energy and fill it back up again with light and creative flow. That will help spice up your kitchen and your space. This is one of my favorite scents and always lightens up the energy and makes my home feel cozy. Then the original artwork is a 5x7 watercolor print, Refiner's Fire. And it is the transformation process of a butterfly. Oh, I misidentified it as a moth. Sorry. The butterfly represents transformation, immortality, and love. Its energy center is the crown, its element is air, and the mineral is associated with strawberry quartz. As we transform ingredients in the kitchen into works of art, delicious cuisine, or simply a tea, we are creating elemental magic. And that brings about transformation into our own bodies and gives us a longer life and great love for ourselves. Thyme is an herb that represents Venus, air, water, feminine energy, Aries, and Capricorn. It assists in helping you create purity, lovely dreams, love, and courage, strength and healing, and is a perfect herb to add to every dish. I did not know that. The elemental triangle representing fire is symbolic of the ancient roots we have with this first form of magic. We need fire to cook our food, to warm our bodies, and to light the dark nights. It is a refining element that burns away the roughness we hold on to and leaves us with golden light of hope and renewal. Special music was made for the time-lapse video on YouTube. And, oh, this is a fire quartz palm stone, or hematoid quartz, made up of trigonal composition of hematite, goethite, or lemurite inclusions. It varies in color from brown, yellow, or premium red. It supports both the root and crown chakras, but the combination balances the body, mind, and spirit and brings unique clarity to your emotions. It helps you with self-worth and self-esteem, which also helps you understand your eating habits. Very cool. And how to look at your body with nutrition. It also enhances focus and concentration and grounds you, especially if you get easily distracted. It can also support you with calming anxieties, panic, and fear. So if you're in the kitchen, remember to bring it along with you to keep you focused on the meal, calm your mind while cooking, and bring you confidence that you're creating something magical. Love that. Let's see. Next month's theme for June is ocean creation. I am an ocean creature. I have a real connection with the ocean, so I'm very, very excited to see next month's boxes. Okay, so on to Mindful Souls. This is $39.95 a month. I really like it, but it's becoming maybe a little monotonous. It's been like completely crystals the last several months, which I adore crystals, so that's okay. It still makes me happy, but just looking for maybe a little something more. So let's see what we got this month. Our quote is, "Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment," which is a Buddha saying. And then we've got all our contents. Our Mindful Souls affirmation card is for prosperity. My good comes from everywhere and everyone. I like that. We have a little sticker. Lots of little bags. Oh no, patchouli. Of all the things, my husband hates patchouli, so I tend to dislike it as well. Let's see, straight on patchouli. Okay, that's not what I was thinking it was. Maybe the essential oil is a little different. Mystic patchouli. Maybe it's different. Let's see. It smells almost like pine is kind of what I'm getting from that. And then lots of little pouches. Oh, we've got a little sphere, if you can see. Maybe smoky quartz sphere? It's kind of hard to tell the color right now. We'll look at the, when we get done, another little bag here. Oh my goodness. Is that a big tiger's eye? Maybe. It doesn't have the shimmer though. That is gigantic. Very cool. I love the shape of that. Oh, I bet it's petrified wood. I suppose. Awesome. Another little baggie. You seem to be very crystal heavy again. Oh my. This looks like red jasper, maybe? Cool pendant. Looks like flowers and leaves. Like that. And a crystal bracelet. Looks like a little Buddha on there. Maybe ocean jasper? Really like those colors. Or maybe it's aventurine. Maybe a few different things, but those colors are gorgeous. This also feels like a crystal, or crystals, I should say. Oh, but this, wow, look at all the colors in that. I bet, yeah, we've got our bead there, but this is a mala. Mala? Look at all those different crystals on there. Cool. Got all the packing material on my shirt. Okay. Lost my card. Oh, it is tiger's eye. Okay. Aids harmony and balance, and helps you release fear and anxiety. Stimulates taking action and helps you make decisions with discernment and understanding, and unclouded by your emotions. I need to spend some more time with tiger's eye, apparently. Use it for insight and you can be a very lucky person. Tiger's eye may bring good luck and protection from the evil eye to the wearer. It is also known to bring clear thinking and insight. And then, oh, interesting. So this was intuitively pulled for me. Often we receive signs from the universe, which at times can be difficult to grasp. This special aroma oil is one that has been left entirely up to fate. Take this as a sign to fill your home or space with a refreshing scent. Out of 6 possible scents, this aroma oil made its way to you to release calming energy. All aromas are made from natural ingredients to neutralize odors and bring love into your home. So I'm obviously going to need to do a little research on the patchouli and see what they were trying to tell me. The smoky quartz sphere, where'd you go? Smoky quartz sphere, protection stone that cleanses and clears negative energy. It's also a grounding stone that transmutes negative energy and facilitates your ability to get things done in a practical world. It enhances organizational skills and is good to have around in the workplace or home office. Smoky Quartz is nature's stone of endurance. If you need an extra boost, carry a Smoky Quartz gemstone with you. And it goes on more. Red stone necklace. Oh, red jasper, yes. It is no ordinary stone. It is a perfect stone when it comes to releasing old fears and suppressed emotions. Its vibration focuses on spiritual grounding that resonates with the lower 3 chakras and creates a strong connection to the earth. Red jasper is a highly protective stone known for building one's strength and guarding against all kinds of threats. And then the Indian agate beads necklace or bracelet. The essence of Indian agate is meditation, joy, and exploration. Because of the harmonizing qualities of agate, its emotional energies of removing and releasing resentments and bitterness. It is also considered by many to be an excellent stone for helping heal and improve relationships. Interesting. So I think I do see this more. I see this more as a bracelet. I thought sure it was a mala, but it probably has more beads than that. But I like that a lot as opposed to a necklace. So cool. And then this is the Amazonite bracelet, known as a lucky hope stone, as it will be lucky for all your hopes and dreams. It brings calming and soothing energies, making it especially useful in times of stress. They are also a powerful healing crystal for the throat chakra, helping to magnify your intentions and affirmations. Blue crystal energy will unblock and balance the throat chakra. Darker shades of blue encourage the power of truth, while lighter shades carry the power of flexibility, relaxation, and balance. And they do remind you to cleanse and charge your crystals and give you different ways to do that. All right. So that's Mindful Souls for me. Again, really heavy on the crystals. I really like crystals, so nothing wrong with that, except they're fairly common. Most people are going to have tiger's eye. This is a cool specimen. There's something really different about it. The red jasper, I have lots of red jasper, and I think I got a red jasper necklace from Mindful Souls already, so a duplicate. The surprise aroma oil, the fact that they're calling it aroma oil means it's probably not 100% essential oil. So that's interesting. This, I don't know what the value on that would be. But I like the bracelets. I'm pretty sure they've also done a bracelet in this very similar color. Lots of bracelets, lots of necklaces. So I'm going to have to think about this a little bit. For $34.95 there maybe, or $39.95, there's other boxes that maybe I would like instead. I don't know. I'd love to hear what you think about it down below. If you would so kindly let me know, I would so appreciate it. Otherwise, if you had a good time, I hope you consider hitting the subscribe and like button, because I don't want you to miss anything. I hope you're taking good care of yourself, taking care of each other. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.